Anyway, let's start the show. Good evening to everybody that's locking this way. This is the Upper Live Show. We do this each and every Tuesday right here on TGM Radio. Remember, we're streaming live right here in the UK. And if you miss any of our videos, you can go back onto YouTube and search for our page. It's Upper Live Show. And also, if you're an artist out there aspiring to be an artist here in the UK or wherever in the world you are, you can send us your music at upperliveshow@gmail.com. You know, get in contact with us and we'll make things happen, of course. Breads, what go on? Dragon, how stay?
No, the ground look away.
I not really hear myself. I'm hearing myself now. There we go.
Everything good?
Yes.
And everything balanced now?
Everything balanced.
All right.
I'm wondering if they heard the introduction or was it just...
Yeah, man, the intro all right. Everything
okay.
good. You know, I just look at headphone, they turn down.
Yes,
Yes.
see. Yes, see me. And if you're wondering, we have one member down this evening, one of our clinical personnel who keeps the ship balancing that. If you, I'm not gonna say who it is, but you'll look at the shot if you're a regular watcher or viewer, you'll know what we're talking about. All right, I'm big up with that person.
But they are no man, so.
Your favor idiot. Nothing is that. So I go on for the morning for the weekend. How the weekend stay?
Well, you know the weekend was festive. Beer things going on for the weekend. You know we got a bag of place, but we have to shout out over Andrew's party.
What go on at Andrew? Cause I never got busy over that side.
You know as usual roadblock thing, man.
And
You know
your
what
side
go
of
on,
the world I never go.
roadblock man over Northland and them keep right over your side.
I
ground,
never
right now.
Exactly, but no, but you have to understand that
Jaja.
when we're
I mean, they are
DJs.
south, my fight to come south.
No, but the thing is that when you're a DJ and you're active working,
After 3 minutes over there.
but
Road burn up.
them time they are business hours, and and like as a corporate event, me not do you know them time they are
Yes,
free.
because Rick try say him fully book.
No, I'm not saying I'm fully booking, but when I work on a night there, but you know, me see the strips and me like the energy.
You know what go on, you know. Yo,
Anyway,
one thing we never really like about, you know, a big up Antrim Fresh party, you know, the setting was nice, the venue was nice,
yeah.
but I don't know if when me get there the sound turned down, I don't know what go on, but one whole a speaker box and be a thing, and me stand up right in front of the box and like me can hardly hear the sound. I don't know if I turn the sound turn down because I reach late,
Or is it the type of sound?
or right type of sound or what. That I ungle thing when me see at the party, when me never like.
It's
Girl over there like Sandpalm
Nah, like,
Beach.
we don't want with
A
DJ.
whole heap of girl over there, you see me?
So how was the DJ? How was the music? The music is effective.
When I go over there, Liar Squad, they wire some song, you see me?
Yeah.
As usual, I don't know. Daily ranks come and perform a thing. Then, after that, you know, it basically done. I never really over there for long, as well, I tell you, I get there a bit late.
Okay.
Based on, you know, how the Saturday night traffic going. You know that's something they go.
Exactly. I know we have to big up Andrew first because consistently over the years, we always have some good party and always the people them always turn on for Andrew first. But sometimes we get some fights.
Big up Vybz as well, you know, Vybz party shot as well too. That one keep a rubies.
Him get an award,
Big
innit?
up Vybz. Big up classical presenter award to Andrew Fresh. I don't know. Him one of the consistent DJ them over years. Him one of the giant in the UK where we keep on doing it. You know, you don't know you have to acknowledge greatness.
Me have to acknowledge
Yeah,
greatness,
man,
but
and M2K party over the weekend too as well.
and at the same breath, you know, me not style Andrew, but me is a man that take my brand serious. You understand? So when certain things is being said in a public domain, me as a personnel of Infinity UK, me take my brand them serious, you know, because if a man step to Up and Live show, or if a man step to anything we do with Infinity UK, me take it very serious.
Take it personal.
So it's not Andrew Fresh in per se. Over the weekend gone with their Bugsy brunch. So you know we got the first Infinity, we got the juggler. We'll look at fire car. Nice little turnout. But Andrew Fresh and movie star Johnny was playing. So, you know, Andrew Fresh, not even Andrew Fresh, I shouldn't say Andrew Fresh. Movie star Johnny announced that he's now officially a member of Lord Gellies and they're entering into the Clash world. Seeing? So that was his biggest announcement. And he take the time out to stop and fire a shot off at Infinity. So, me have to respond and say something and address that.
Yeah.
So, we have to understand the respect is there for the giants. You understand? Respect is there for the elders. Seeing?
Yeah.
But you have to understand this. When you say certain things, we as co-workers, we have to pre, on a different level, not because you're one giant and you're respected. You know, so David, this do Goliath too. That is it. So anything you want, maths out of maths, just do the do and make it happen.
Wait.
You don't know the Buju song?
What was it?
No, him say him a kill everything on the road and him a shoot out and him say Infinity UK, all you know, watching yourself.
Then if Johnny fire shot, then a fireback shot,
That's a man, Johnny star.
Simple, you know.
Yeah, no, but
That's it, you know.
But look at that. In this way going, movie star rated him get a high caliber weapon in an
Simple, you know.
arsenal. Before him
If
talk.
movie star Johnny fire shot,
think the
give us
man a
fireback
fool.
one over for them direction.
The man I mean,
Shuffle up the
simple
crowd.
as
yeah.
that.
But you know what I like about it?
Yeah.
Because for years we've been seeing that some of these lot of sounds, lot of the oldest traditional sound them then at the England in the business and them they were very lazy, complacent and not doing anything. And I'm very happy that Andrew Fresh decided to take up this Clash Mantra because I can see where Andrew Fresh and movie star Johnny, because they have a good chemistry, then can actually do something for the UK clash scene and market scene. So I'm kind of excited with that, but me just feel like we are the first shot him fire for is my sound. So me take it
Go
personally.
and go fireback shot then.
I mean,
Simple. Go and go shoot back.
Why
over
did
field
you have to
direction.
have a
Simple.
long explanation? Just say, movie star Johnny said this about Infinity and I eat that. You don't have to explain call man giant.
No.
We're not
You-
give them resume.
No,
A war.
You have to.
No, you don't have to.
In
You
the-
don't-
no.
no.
Breads.
Russia never tell America say a long time no na blow up Japan. No, them say yo, touch me and dead, and that's it.
No, in the interest of me, remember we're doing a talk show here. We're
Yeah.
not just doing. I'm not on social media talking.
No,
just
but
so.
everybody know them.
So
know
Up
that
and Live show is an informative show. So that's why we're giving you the root of why I'm saying what I'm saying. If me just start say more style, like get the sound, then it look like what Rika talk about. But I have to give you the story. But anyway, that's a separate and apart. We don't need to talk about that. Cause bigger war are going on tonight.
Yeah, but hold on there.
Yeah.
I got the last week for the contest of them tonight. The people them say, and a dead yard them forward. Them want to hear war tune.
Yeah.
Them don't want look like them want to hear tune where a war. Like last week where it take long for reach the war. You see me?
So basically, last week them talk about Prince Hakeem first round.
No, the whole like total. The whole,
No, but that was the only part of the year was.
No, they want to talk about the whole first two round. No, the first round. The second round started up. We want to start from the usual studio.
Yeah.
We don't want no friendship. Not a long conversation like just make the square for him fire shot. We want a straight go ahead.
All right. sir.
Bullet.
All right,
Yes.
sir. So I iron out some issues because there's a few things happening yard and abroad. We care to because in the interest of time we're not gonna stay too long because we want
Yeah.
kick off the war a little bit earlier. But there's one issue that we see. Should we start at UK or Jamaica?
We'll
Oh, yeah.
start at UK first, cause a bag of things are going.
Let's do the biggest story, the Queen's burial, the funeral. Wanna watch it? We'll watch it.
Yeah, man, watch it on TV.
But you know, you're not choice really.
No, you can look at the TV.
There's
The
nothing
fuck?
else on the TV.
Blood. Listen. Hey, I say, they want if some artists get them promotion, them offer boss, them showing them because right now, if a channel not upon the Queen funeral, a channel a TV not going on.
It's not going with nothing. And what to me, watching the service, I just realized that English is one of the most complicated language to understand when the authentic English people them speak it. I want them to sing. Because enough of the chorus them are sing in English. I mean I try to listen and understand the words them. And me I have to go up and I'll Google to find the song name, to find it. Because I say I can't hear no word them a say. You know them a sing the song them. You know all them sing in our church, man. The little them way there.
And the English, and them sing it in the RC way, the Roman Catholic way. If other church sing it, you got hear. Just all them sing.
You know
it.
when I go participate in a conversation because I don't feel like when I talk about
No, Dragon.
Yeah.
The songs.
And the king part forward.
This even that one there. We know we can't hear. We can't hear. The only part of that song them know is "God Save the Queen," that which is the national anthem for England. Me not talk that. Me I talk the in the service there were some songs that was singing like yeah, and them are singing in English.
No, people.
When you believe in a dopey,
It's a people.
hold on a minute. Me ask if you believe in a dopey and them sitting there. We are Jamaican. You don't believe in a hobby and them sitting there, though.
It
When you know,
exit.
when you know when they are little boy and them say,
Yeah.
when somebody dead, they throw peas in them grave, you plant them. When you see African man plant the queen.
Which
What
one?
do you mean?
Yes, he man plays the one, I don't know one piece or one kind or something on the pulpit.
Panatic. Yeah, that a bit.
When you see the man put some juju over there.
Food wash, you know the diary.
No man, you know when you plant them man, make it dopey behave themselves. You know?
Jesus.
Secondly dopey. The
But
man plant
the queen has 96 years. She not time to do
You
no
know
more
so I
rain.
go on.
You know, so I don't really like to talk about the queen too long because I have mixed feelings and I don't really, and you know, you said sitting a while ago,
Yeah.
I kind of,
You get emotion.
no, so,
No, but-
so
but-
me not
but
say nothing
look
else.
what the brother do.
Una alone talk about
Look what the brother do out of the crowd.
Yeah.
Remember, it's up on TV there, you know, it's in the public.
Come in,
I watch you with my
Yeah,
yard.
me see
Uncle
what you
Ivan.
Come
Yeah,
out of
see
the
that?
line. I don't know if
You
I
see
put
it?
on $1 kind
Yeah.
or piece of juju. Him put on piece of juju over the pan something. You see me? Look a bit after that.
Boy, Jack,
Me don't know if I, you know, one of them man never tell up on a move.
in job.
Me don't know if a bad feelings take him or what. Drop him and drop down on him face. The juju strong.
Careful what you say,
Yo, them man.
man, they ship you in a dragon.
And Jagan.
Because I just that me see in a dog. Juju strong
Them
what the man put on.
Them man days as old as the queen. They never jack that one night time. See, she did before him.
Exactly.
Mm.
It's
Them,
alright.
them God, them man.
But
queen,
yeah, let's talk about some more pressure issue because I will if I war go on in Jamaica. Let's jump in a little bit of war go on like I don't see if none of the see it recently like the Vybz Kartel and Aidonia. Little throwaway kind of thing. I don't know if you wanna see
No, I not see, but I see other words. But I see that
what
one.
Vybz Kartel kind of put him in place intelligently.
How?
Where
Explain.
my team say basically my team say no beef no over here so feel. Cause him a say him call no alcohol, him call Aidonia lazy and him say all our young youth them forward in our business pass you don't have an album, you don't have no farm accomplishment. But you want war me no beef no over here so feel. You see me? Kinda diss him, kinda put him in place neat and proper. And
Me not see that one. They say
in
me
a
I look
sense,
I
when,
delete it though, better.
when you look upon you and say, but no lie no in our cartel I tell. Don't hear me artist now, but that's don't feel no way about when you look upon him career, you can say like, but when him really achieve, cause Cartel say him biggest song, him have only generate 10 million views, right? And Cartel say him there behind bars, seeing, and him a get more than that, and him behind bars. So when you look upon it, he kinda
But you know the man
Set
Spotify
away.
and the man income
Vybz
from
Kartel say to all of them
no,
in a game
no,
together.
Vybz
So,
Kartel YouTube.
But it's
YouTube
plain
when
to
they say
say.
place. Spotify have that platform where the man probably
Jaja.
a rake in, you know.
The only thing me really take serious right now in numbers is Spotify and Apple Music. Me not really trust YouTube because
Them to the most serious.
too much of the man them buy views because they can clearly see it. Me I see some video where some of the youth them are release and them release them in a 24 hours and me I see less than 24.
200,000.
Yeah, I get there's the dancehall diaspora who listen to dancehall music. No disrespect, unless you're one of the top tier artists and you're very popular, say like a Skilly Bang, you might be possible to get it. You know, I get
what numbers we're talking about?
me see like 700,000 views
Not
in like
even skilling back
in-
never
in-
get
in-
that 24
no
hour.
in like less than 24 hours.
Yeah, man, that's possible.
It is. I'm joking. I'm not
That's
saying it.
possible. But Rick, well, I know, if you do the maths and you say, enough of them have close to 1 million subscribers, right?
No, for them don't.
Yeah.
Well, I know, if you have close to 1 million subscribers, seeing, and you release your music, enough of them you have targeted promotion, seeing. If you get half of that in a 24 hours, that's possible. Cause
Yeah, but
we
I-
see it.
but that's
but
not-
Rick not talk about
I'm not
Rick talk
saying-
about money. I'll have 8,000 subscribers.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
That's
I'm
what
not
I'm talking
talking about Skilly Bang who
I'm
is
talking about the new
established.
artists them.
So like Skilly Bang, them might possibly can do it. And you see, all right, me use a perfect example. You see,
Skeng.
Skeng can do it because Skeng
Easy.
has
Massacre,
Massacre.
Skeng more
Me not
easy
talk
to
the top tier
Iwaata.
artists them. Iwaata no.
Fuck you.
why not?
Because Iwaata is not in that. Is not a household name artist yet.
I want to dry up.
He has songs. All right, me give you a perfect example. The only song when me see possible should have done that, and it probably did it, was the where you get beat up on the again, box up on him again.
Yeah,
Silk Bass.
Silk.
Silk Bass when he released the song,
Sorry.
the Sorry song, because
him that
people
trend
were,
at the time.
he was trending and people was actually looking for a song
Song,
for him.
yeah.
So that song get a couple hundred
and they get
thousand
remixed
views
straight away.
in the first 24 hours. That makes sense to me.
Yeah.
because everybody would anticipate for look for say still drop a song. So that makes sense. You can't tell me say no one miss a say alright, no disrespect. Baker is one of the more trending at a young you. When I really boss big it, but he have potential and the streets are listen to him song. But no, yeah, he might listen to him song. But if Baker genuinely release a song right now, me not see it go get 500,000 views in a
24 hours.
Less than 24 hours. He will get it eventually. Don't get me wrong, because him have. But in a dancer market, me not see that.
All right, the only time, the only time
genuinely
people view, as they call it, streamers on YouTube. Yeah. So in the war go on, as they say,
people look for it.
Yeah, cause that's what they wait for. But when I naturally, it's like skanking them now through them a trend straight through the year. Everything, I know 1 million subscribers obviously every year, but there was some song where them drop, when they're going away to, So you look for them man of a million regardless, and I struggle. As a man now, nobody don't know them.
Yeah.
And them a shot.
Exactly. All right, let's move on to an expression issue where we see there's a video circulating in Jamaica on the gram with the incident with them shoot up the football game. Anyone see? I not shoot out that man.
No,
that I just
right.
then come to shoot a man.
Yeah.
And the man then just shoot everybody.
No, it's a shootout because them come to shoot somebody and 2 police officers and a licensed firearm holder take them on. Right. So it was shot exchanging in 2 directions.
Okay.
Get me? So it was a shootout. No matter how we look on it, the shootout are going. So that happened. 3 people was fatally shot.
No, dead. That's fatal.
And the same thing, brother.
Fatally shot.
That boy I don't test him, man.
Nah, him don't hear this. 3 people was fatally shot. That don't make no sense.
Fatally shot.
No.
Fatally shot. What the word fatal?
No, but it's
fatally stabbed, fatally shot.
All right, hold on. Breads, take a L for that one.
No,
somebody talk to Breads, man.
Somebody say 3 people was fatally shot. What? You say it wrong, bro.
All right, let's have a stewarding card. Let's continue.
Just
Dragon.
3 fatality.
People in the comments tell me who wrong. Dragon,
our school Breads go.
Dragon say there was 3 fatality.
Let me finish the story. Then the question about which school you're going to do. 3 people was fatally shot. Yeah. What them say? 6 other injured, 7 other people injured. Yeah. Seeing in an altercation, what happened? 3 gunmen come at like a football event. Is a CB football complex?
Yes.
Yeah, that's where there was. You see me? In a brawl in a daylight, start fire be a can indiscriminately. At man, woman, picnic dog, everybody. Can does a fire. You see me? The 2 police officers them see what go on. Pop off them gun. Fire back some shot in them direction. The light firearm holder, who also have his matic on him, shoot back some shot over there. The man them jump in a car, which was waiting, flee and escape the scene. You get me? Police them a work and leads in the area to find out what go on. All of that what go on. Remember, Andrew promised Jamaica when him get elected say, we can't sleep in our house with the door and window them open. And a foreign Andrew there, Andrew left Jamaica. And Jamaica in a turmoil and come a funeral at England and Jamaica in a turmoil. When you look upon this, him and him wife, what him name? Where him wife name again?
What woman?
Julian. I don't remember what she name.
Juliet. Julian, but go on.
Yeah. Him left all of that and come at England when Jamaica in a turmoil. See? That's why I say, yo, some my time we need to fix up with yard before we take on this big foreign hype life.
No, but
we need to fix up yard first.
You see, when the ground with me here, somebody like did it. Say, what go on there? The umbre forward him. Do him shoot.
Breads always know somebody when.
Yes, actually, do you know?
When
actually,
him go Jamaica, him not know what go on.
Listen up.
That man.
Because when out of the speech, I can't see everything. So the person basically, the person followed the shooting in it, and then when him make him leave, and then the shootout start with his half-duty police and lights the fire on them. So him take them on, jump in the vehicle as we say, and do road. But him forward in there, pan him one, to go do him thing. But when him do it, you never know say, you have other people on the space have gun and them just, but them cause more injury because by them shooting at him now, him start fire what be a shot.
Him does a fire wild.
Yeah, so going to get shot.
Let me answer this now. Kind of change the narrative a bit. We've been conversating several months now, and just in the public interest. Which school did they go? Which school did they attend?
Brother, hear me say.
Me just find out, which school they attend, Brett?
Hear me say. Not true, two people in live chat.
More I know what school did they attend, my friend.
Did somebody answer?
Bro,
We asked what school did they attend. Because you know, one day if I gave everybody dunce over the school, if everybody over the fully dunce.
Anyway.
Brett, what school you attend, Brett?
Don't worry about that.
Don't bother speed past that, man.
But nah, speed for next week. You might say.
Anyway, as I said before, we're not really,
Yeah.
we're not long it out this week, but
Oh,
Long out.
no, they can't stay there. Say anything you don't want to say. We're actually ready to jump off the wire. Obviously, we just make sure that we get everything in order before we start. Because when we start, the war not stop. Seen?
Yo, hold on. Before we start the war, people know at that time evening. Rick, we're going to start the betting from now.
Start the betting?
Yeah. Whisper your money that week, yeah.
Alright, you know, I'm take out my tempo. Because I kind of
Where your money that week, yeah?
I kind of undecided that week, you know. Because
you lose last week, though.
I lose last week, but I have to bet for Royal last week. Because obviously Royal are from north side. And,
yeah.
You know, over here. Lights not getting away. But that week, yeah, I feel like Rasta go with, you know. Jagger look like I just say I want to put the money.
Rasta, where you bet pan? Shanty or Beanie?
Shanty, me I put 10 pound pan a week, yeah.
Me have a 10 upon
I
Beanie.
see
20
there.
people see there. Me nah cheat the game.
Well, I left it 20 years, so put it 20
Put
on
20
the
over
board.
there, so.
On the board.
See?
You know, won the money or something. Left
Me
it on the
10
board.
pound.
Them
they
20
pan
soon
Beanie.
stop spend. Them soon stop spend.
Me tell you from what you, me come like Sapphire in a youth. You know, me for me don't get 2 pence to put tonight.
Well, I know, man. You see him go see what they put pan Queen casket. Me having a bag. So nothing can beat me this evening. I tell
People
me.
here will go and bet in a collect now.
Man,
Where
so
on the money
deceived.
this week? What's the prediction for the war? Because I be things that go on now. I pay steel a cut,
Yeah, at that.
marble a fire and be things that go on.
That me I say no. Because some of the artists them last week. Last week was a bit. You know, I don't know. You see artists not get artists double plate. Una live good.
Boy, I don't know how I go on now.
I don't know when they can call our brother and say, yo, Vice, no, I'd stay so because last week, you know, Prince Hakeem, you know. Prince Hakeem never played a double plate last week.
No.
But him win still, so he work, you know, in favor.
Boy, I don't know.
But you know, so you see,
45 shop black, you know.
you see if Royal did play him songs, you see if he played that double plate, the Daniel Bless double plate in a one eye earlier round them, he would have win the round, you know.
Win the round, but him play it in a tune for tune. Which you win a tune, which you could have win an entire round
exactly.
with that song.
Because that song has a memory to it. For the World Clash, imagine, that was the only part of the clash I actually remember. That part and when Prince Hakeem played the Shanty Force. Because of what him said, just the conversation where Prince Hakeem used and beat him, you know. But man I say, yo, because I talk to somebody today and I say, yo, the clash last week never fear. But it was fear.
Who said the clash never fear? People, remember now we judge, you know, don't come go like say no one. Are the people on the live, you see if you no fear, you forward on the live and vote for your favorite contestant.
Yeah.
Make it fear. Vote for your friend then. See?
No.
Make it fear.
No.
Come and vote for your friend or whoever you feel like say, I go on a so clash thing going on. You know see your clash thing go. And the man who carry the bus of people going at the dance. Sometimes he win, you know. But some of the time, the other selected us bad and they win over theme crowd. That's how you go.
But I don't really want to reach that way. I actually want the people them to vote for who actually execute the best on the night and tonight. Seeing? So I don't really want to become a friend thing because obviously some people are going to attract more attention than some people.
Well, everybody has celebrity upon the clash. Everybody have them fun. Yeah. Everybody have big tune. Everybody have a bag of things. So here we know. I'm not busy about the fairness. We don't decide that part because we don't have nothing to do with the voting. Seeing?
Exactly. And people, I know we are all of a clash, you know. It's not we holding up a clash. And we like to be clear and clean because
I don't know why I go on and come like say the man them still their studio cut song. I don't know. Because me as a 45 shot black.
No, the Queen's Slash travel.
Man get scared. Man gets scared. I feel like people get cold feet. So if the artist not turn up, we apologize. I know you're here, sir. Because I know if somebody get cold feet and get nervous and decide say, yo, him not go embarrass himself.
Yeah,
I don't know.
I hear a phone call, dog. You know, say God fought for the world and the road mash up.
Yeah, man. Because
but the war have to go on tonight. Smarty, I got dead tonight.
Because we want to start the war from early, you know.
Remember, you know, one more week of morning, you know. One more week of morning.
Yeah, but
What is the black people time? It's what I mean.
exactly.
No, the people here one now. The clash will start by 10. You know the chefs already. This you know the little part over there. And that's the reason, and cut to calm and be a thing, tell no what go on viral, cause sometimes I be a fucker go on viral, and we need to just iron out some of them thing there.
Exactly.
You see what I say? Like this is the next issue we need to talk about. In terms of the dancehall space them, and some of the way they call it, some of the entities, some of the cockroach them, where basically them not really like the dancehall thing. Them just even make a quick buck.
But
Some of these people
Opportunists.
them a mash up dancehall, cause you wanna. So when them keep them party and them venue people, me not bad mind nobody, but the venue people them stop the people them way is not proper promoter on the venue. And anybody wanna forget them. Because when I give some of them people a venue, them come mash up a venue them for the good promoter them. And the people them want to keep good events. Cause I see it too many times. You see in South London, we not know if we go keep on decent dance, See, Andre Fresh keep him big dance,
and not Andre Fresh. Cause
and not Andre Fresh can dance come.
Andre Fresh dance the ram.
Not. And remember,
Magic
that dance should have be over the other side of the river. But it's still going good, but me just say. Because some of them dirty people away and mash up the whole of the venue them.
No, but you see, venues are there, and we find out what the problem is, but because of, you see, culture and mindset is a whole different thing.
What's the problem, Rick?
The problem is that we're trying to be keeping dances late at night, and there's no licensing. Throughout the summer, the summer teaches a lesson that the venues are allowing people to use them, like for brunches. So because we want the dancer, like the dance night thing. But it's not possible for the dances because we not have no venue to get, and you realize the ones that we do get are some little show-beans. If you look at Bugsy Party that in Keep Sunday gone, it was a very good banqueting seat, proper lighting and everything. West London, but it's still in London.
Let me answer a question.
And him get a venue.
Was there food at the brunch?
Was there food? Yes, there was.
It's not late.
May I ask you go see food over there?
Yeah, there was
because
food.
If you understand, say brunch is different from dancehall. See?
I understand. But there was...
So my time I got dancehall, go to dancehall things. So what's the more I got dancehall and feel like more climb up on a sound box and jump off on a girl.
So let me explain to that. The reason why I'm mentioning Bugsy's brunch is because for a very long time, me not see a party where take most of the box them. And that party did take a lot of the box them. The sound quality, obviously, the sound was good because it couldn't turn up too loud. It was good. The venue was excellent in terms of like decor. They have the fancy light, them disco light them in the ceiling, and they have the mood light, so the venue look pristine, crisp. There was good staging. My youth they have him stage thing them there. What him name again? Lani, because I think Lani have some stage. One nice staging one with the big screen thing, and you can put in your flyer upon it and DJ play. That was exceptionally prepared, and it looked good. So when you're there playing now, it looked like you come to an event. You see what I say? So, and then the food was in a separate room outside, where if you want to go buy your food and you swim around or whatever, presentation is key. So here what got happen now. You see the next event whether you they keep, you see the people that will forward there, so me guarantee you see them go back because the experience where you get, you will pay for it.
But Rick, you not the next part, right?
What go on?
What time you say it start?
It started from early. It started from what?
There was no one there. There was no one there.
No, but people.
No, let me talk now.
No, you never did that, so you can't tell me.
No, there's no one at 8 o'clock. People just like start fighting. It's all good with Bugsy though. Nobody not take that from Bugsy. But they keep on take the biggest denominator out, like the person who make everything work, the people them. They do not want to come out early. Cause him say a certain time and them still forward half it to the event, most of them.
No.
Yes, they did. It can't ask him. Yes, they did, bro.
Breds, you cannot tell me about a party that you were
at.
I was a DJ there playing.
You're a DJ player, yeah?
How you going to tell me about the party you never did it?
All right.
Breds, anything else you can't tell me about except that party because I was there from 8 o'clock.
What did I just say? What did I just say?
Listen to what I'm saying.
People start far from them time.
Listen to what I'm saying.
I just said that to you.
Listen to what I'm saying.
You didn't hear me just say what? You name just say though.
Let me explain. Let me tell you what happened because
No.
you're speculating.
No,
You weren't
not,
there.
There's no speculation about this. I tell you.
The event was advertised
For what?
from 3 until 12
But
o'clock.
no one was there at 3 o'clock, bro.
No one was there. Obviously, no one's going to come there at 3 o'clock.
No, then stop there, so. The point me I try to tell you is this. If it start from 3 and from 8 o'clock, people start forward there, you still have a problem because you say, yeah, Bugs are doing thing cool, but the people them is the problem. They're not coming out early. If it start from 3 o'clock, it's better for the promoter everybody.
Breads, that can be solved.
No, over here, nobody now go do it, bro.
All right, let me
respond.
respond now, because in everything you do in life, it takes time to make things work. It don't happen overnight. Just like we with the Asap Open Live Show, we've been here for how long, doing them for years, and we've been doing it consistently. One people are watching a week, 2 people, 3 people are watching a week. Consistent, we keep on doing the same thing over and over. It may not be the best, but we're consistent, so it grows. You can't expect say thing are gonna happen and it just people are gonna start come out 8 o'clock. People not like that. Even if you start the dance 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, no one reaches there until 2, 3 o'clock anyway. So it's the same concept.
Exactly.
It was advertised from 3 till 12. I was there 8 o'clock. It wasn't packed, but people was there. By 9:30, 10 o'clock, the venue was practically full.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Even though it was going until 2 o'clock. It was going to 2 o'clock, but he advertised it for 12. And people did come out 9:30, 10. There was a sensible crowd in there. Because when we start play, it was probably half full. And then by the time we done play, we'll play for about an hour and a half. We have a full venue of people. So,
Rick,
what you trying to say?
Brits.
No,
Wrap up the conversation.
No, Rick, you still, I miss him.
Yeah, cuss with the man, you never
man,
over there. Just leave it, brother.
Cuss with him. Where Rick start out with there is that rated, yeah, book the thing ratings. We're not talking about that. Nobody can say, Berber catch a chip with me. I don't give a fuck right now. But when I say this here, him advertise at a time, which every promoter that want it start at a time. And I try to show Rick say, Rick, but that's all you say, what you say, after years people advertise early. And maybe for about 15 years, like no, the point I say here, yes, it did good, but I try to show you, say, I say promoter for this and that. Bro, the people don't want to come out. What the people can do?
People will come out if you're consistent
5
with
hours
it.
later.
Let me respond to you, because there's examples here we can use. There's bus driver link up that keeps every year. Regardless of what time bus driver link up, if him say I keep it there, people do turn up on time. Because why? Junior has been keeping this event for a year and people know what they're getting. People expect a certain behavior, expect a certain way at bus driver link up events. So they do dress according. They put on their Sunday best because they know they're going to a good environment. You can't have Tom Joam down the road that keep one event 1 week and him decide to go into as a promoter and him will keep a venue and him will care now a worry in one corner around this and me go this and you expect me to be excited if you go a Tom Joam's event because him not give me nothing, no wow factor. Nothing I did if it attract me.
Yeah, but you don't know until you get to the event.
But that's what I'm saying. That's why I gave Bugsy his props because he did what he's supposed to do as a promoter.
30 seconds on this topic.
He was there. Let's wrap it up because we need just a time.
Because you have to dance in general, yeah? So if one person I do it, I start work for him, if you trickle on the line for everybody, though, you keep on and say something where you have to enter the venue for final. I say another him and a Bugs at the fault and the event of are the people not coming out at the same time regardless. So until them start forward early, then we can have a conversation about that.
Okay. All right. We can see. We have to agree for disagree.
So yeah, I don't know that conversation now. It all can later on in a car. Yeah. Thank God the Jagger not involved in that one.
It's not continuing, bro.
Alright. People, you want to go on now. Let me just recap the rule them for everybody who want to know what I know. These are the rule them on the clash. You know, first round is all about introductory round.
Yep.
Anything goes. 45 dub plate. If you want to play Souls Rock Steady, any song you want to play, it goes in the first round.
It's not advisable to play Souls though, yeah?
The second round, which is the challenge round, I don't know what the thing go.
And explain to them the time for the first round, please.
So for the first round, the time is 10 minutes. Each celebrity gonna get 10 minutes to play them best set.
Yes.
Them hottest set. You know what I go on. Second round, which is the challenge round, you don't know the challenge artist for tonight is none other than Vybz Kartel, the teacher. So every celebrity have to play them best 3 Vybz Kartel tonight.
Yes.
You know what the thing go, you know what the chefs go. So if all of the guys are fans just roll over here so and judge that something there and say if him play the right 3 teacher them, you know what go on. You know the last round, which is 1-for-1.
Yes.
So you know them a play 6 songs each, and you know the baddest song them against the baddest song them.
Yes.
And remember people, hear the steps all go tonight, hear the formation all go. Cause them say a 4-4-2, see? So after each round, we all do a vote, see?
Yeah.
So you remember how we do the last bit last week?
Yeah.
So if a Shanti you have vote for is a S for Shanti and a B for Beanie G, and we're gonna count all of the S them and all of the B them and tally up it and see who win each round as we go forward.
And
you
there's
see
going
me?
to be a time limit to the vote, all right? So there's going to be a time limit of 1 minute 20 seconds because there's a little delay. So we're giving, that's what, 80 seconds to vote. So once we say start, we're going to be judging from the first person vote until when we say stop,
Yeah.
we're going to stop and we're going to call out the name of the individual person on the Instagram who is going to be recorded as the last vote. So for in the interest of trying to be fair, everyone's watching and you can see on your screen, you can count for yourself and tally up for yourself. So me and Breads will be doing the tallying while Dragon be the referee for the war, of course. So people is going to be excited.
Yeah.
And please, if you know say voting time, please don't refer from like keep on messaging, to full up the timeline. And if you don't vote once and then vote again, it just mess up the whole thing, innit?
I know it thing go so that's the thing I go we're not gonna do it by a poll, we're not gonna do that something there. So we're just gonna do it by the method the scene. So if he's a Shanti fan, you just go over there and type S pan the scream. If he's a Beanie G fan, you go over there and type a B. Because I know everybody can read and write and everybody go to school. So we make it easy for everybody, you know, A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. You know, that's something there, anyway go. Alright. So one more time, let's recap the rule them quick and fast. First round, which is introductory round, where them say anything goes. Don't play it 45 rock steady or souls, anything the artist or the celebrity feel like him want play. That one.
Within 10 minutes.
Second round, which is the challenge round. And the challenge artist for this week is Vybz Kartel. Each celebrity will play 3 songs each. Saying so them can play the 3 baddest Vybz Kartel what them think. Saying? Yeah. The last round is tune for tune. You know that's something that go already. Saying? That's how the rules go. You see me people? So that's the thing that we kick off a clash in hour. About 5. Yeah. So let's all play about 2 songs, pay some bills. You know where the chefs go. Then we just start the war. Yeah. That's how the war there. You know when I joke that thing this week. You know the war, yeah. The war serious that week, yeah.